I will share with you the best way to use rice water to grow your hair super long and healthy, and more length retention, and stop hair breakage and hair shedding. So this rice water I'm about to share with you will thicken up your hair, grow your hair super long and stronger. You just only thing you need to do, keep on watching this video to see the effective way to make use of rice water and grow your hair longer and healthy. This type of rice I'll be making use of. Use any type of rice you have at home. So this amount of rice I'll be making use of. This 1 cup of rice. So I'm going to transfer it into this bowl to add in water to wash it. Okay, this part is very necessary to remove dirty and impurities and to remove the preservative they used to preserve this rice. You just need to rub your 2 hands on it so that the dirty can come out very well. You can choose to raise your rice once, you can choose to raise yours twice, but I always like to raise my rice twice whenever I'm doing rice water fermentation. So raise it whenever, how many times you choose to raise. This is the second time of raising the rice, so this time around I'll be okay with it. So let's talk about the benefit of rice. Rice contains vitamins and minerals that nourish the hair and scalp, encourage hair growth, also increase the shine of hair, make it stronger and detangle the hair. Rice water promotes faster hair growth, reduce hair fall and hair shedding. So after raising the rice the second time, I'm going to throw away the water, and next thing I bring in my jar. Okay, so make sure in this process you need a jar. This one, don't use a plastic to ferment your rice water so that your rice water will not go rusted. Okay, especially this type of rice water we are fermenting, all you need is a jar, please. Okay, so I transform in my rice water into my jar. Next thing, I bring in my water and make sure the water you're using is super clean. You can use steam water or you can use temperature water. I use temperature water. So next thing now is my orange peel. Okay, this orange peel is necessary. It helps to enhance the smell of this rice water. It helps the smell of rice water not to smell horrible. Okay, so use orange peel. While putting your orange peel, please do not allow the fresh to interfere into the orange peel. As you can see, I manage cut out the fresh of the orange and I remove it from the orange peel. Do not allow the orange fresh to come in contact with this your rice water, so that you do not make your rice water to get rancid or any other problem. So after peeling the orange peel, this is what I got so far. I'll bring my cover and cover it very tight. Cover this very tight. Make sure that the cover you are using is super tight. Okay, after covering it, I'm going to keep it away for 7 good days. We are fermenting this rice for 7 days. So once it's 7 days, see what we got so far. This is the best rice water ever. Keep on watching to see how to get the best effective out of this rice water, and also how to use it. I'll be sharing with you the best tip on how to use this rice water for massive hair growth, and also the best way to get the good benefit of this rice water. So after 7-day fermentation, as you can see, those bubbles that I was showing you showed that this rice water is still there in tight. If you do not see those bubbles on your own when you shake it, that means something is wrong on your rice water fermentation. So after then, I bring my bowl and remove the orange peel. Okay, after I remove the orange peel, I rub my hand on the rice water. The rice water is so soft, everything have really fermented. So another way to get the benefit of this rice water, is to rub your hand on it. Okay, as you can see the way I'm doing it, I'm rubbing my 2 hands on it so that I can get the best nutrients. I can get all the benefits of this rice into this rice water. Okay, this part is very necessary if you really want to get the best benefit of this rice water. And also, if you want this rice water to do what you're supposed to do on your hair, you need to rub your hand on it. As you can see, once you rub your hand, you are no longer seeing your hand. They make the water start coloring milk. You know that you have gotten it. So I bring my shifter and my bowl to shifter this rice water. As you can see, this rice water is ready to be used. Do you see how make color this rice water is, to show that we have gotten all the benefits of this rice water. If you have not used this type of rice water before, please let me know in comment section below. And if you try it, you are going to love it. You will not regret making this rice water on your hair, because this rice water is like leave-in in condition. It will not dry off your hair. Do not worry, I'm going to give you some benefits, some tips that you'll be gotten on using this rice water. So I just transfer this amount that I'll be using. Okay, so I keep it aside and bring my jar to transfer the remaining rice water into my jar, and I'm going to cover it up and keep it in my fridge. Okay, so that the fermentation will stop. So this is the stage of my hair, how to apply this rice water on your hair. There is two ways you can use this rice water to grow your hair, and I'm showing the one way in this video, and the second way I'll be telling you the second stage on how to use this rice water. So this is the stage of my hair, and my hair is on twins. I'll be losing out the twins of my hair, so that I'll show you how to apply this rice water to get best results. This rice water is all you need to grow long healthy hair. If your hair is shedding excessively, if your hair is breaking excessively, if you are not retaining length, or your hair is thinning, this rice water will help to thicken up your hair. This rice water will help to reduce your hair shedding and hair breakage. As you can see, the milk color have settled down while the plain water is up. So once you come across this stage, only thing you need to do is to shake it up so that everything can mix together very well. Okay, so once after, then I'll start applying this on my hair. You can see, once I apply this on my hair feels so good, guys. You don't need to joke with this rice water. This rice water is a must try. You don't need to sleep on this. What I mean by you don't need to sleep on it, you don't need to ignore this rice water. Please make this rice water and you see how your hair will grow massively. I'm not joking. A trial will convince you. And also, the smell of this water did not smell horrible at all, because that orange peel help a lot. And secondly, if you cover your rice water very tight, it will not smell horrible. It's when you do not cover your rice water very tight while fermentation, it will contact air and the rice water will start smelling horrible. Whenever you ferment your rice water, it's smelling horrible. Something is wrong, meaning that you do not cover it very well. So if you are fermenting your rice water, make sure that you use a very tight cover container. Guys, I'm sorry, my throat is drying. Make sure you use a very tight container cover to cover your rice water, so that your rice water will not go rancid. Okay, and also, if you have essential oil while fermenting this rice water, it can also drop in your essential oil. It also helps for the smell. But trust me, only the orange peel does a great job on it. But if you want to go extra in mind, it can drop in your essential oil. Okay, so applying this rice water on your hair generously, both the scalp and both your scalp and the strands of your hair. Focus very well on the scalp of your hair, because hair growth comes from the scalp. And also make sure you take care of the tip of your hair, so that the tip of your hair will also get strength of this rice water. This rice water, all you need to do is to use this rice water every of your wash day. The first way to use this rice water is to use this as a pre-poo. That is exactly the way I'm doing it now. But the two ways I normally use this rice water, these two ways of using this rice water, I normally use the two of them. But on today's video, I'm showing you how to use it for this pre-poo stage. So Pre-poo, I mean something product you apply on your hair before you shampoo your hair. But I will advise you, if your hair is super dirty, please run water on your hair. Make sure that you rub your hair, make sure that you run water on your hair to remove some dirty out of your hair. Run water on your hair so that some dirty will go out, so that your hair will be a little bit clean. Okay, it's not that super clean, at least a little bit clean, so that this product can penetrate very well. Do not apply this rice water on a super dirty hair. If you carry your hair for 1 month, 2 months, you have not washed it, please run water on your hair before you applying this rice water on your hair. After running water on your hair and you see the dirty have go out, okay, the next thing, just allow your hair to dry before you start applying this rice water on your hair. This is the way you can get best results of using this rice water as a pre-poo. Do not use it on a super dirty hair if you want to get the benefit of this rice water. Okay, please do what I said and you're going to thank me sooner or later. Another way to use this rice water is after your shampoo. Apply this rice water. Once you finish shampooing your hair, after shampooing your hair, the next stage is apply this rice water on your hair. After applying it, massage your scalp very well, cover up your hair, and also allow it to stay for 30 minutes. Even the first stage of pre-poo, also allow it to stay on your hair only about 30 minutes and rinse it out. The first stage of pre-poo, after 30 minutes you rinse it out and then you shampoo your hair. But while using this shampoo, anytime you want to use your rice water as a pre-poo, please do not use harsh shampoo, use mild shampoo, okay? And also after shampooing your hair, just apply it on your hair as the second stage and cover your hair for 30 minutes or so. Rinse it out and follow up with your deep condition and continue with your wash day routines. I hope you understand my explanation. Please, if you don't understand, let me know in comment section below. I'm going to give you more a clarifying understanding, but I hope that I make it very clear here. Okay, so apply this on your hair every of your wash day. If you normally wash your hair once in a week or 2 times in a week, please do this every of your wash day. I'm going to see a great result on your hair. This rice water will grow your hair super long. I'm not joking. And whenever you use it, please do not forget to massage your scalp. Scalp massage is very important. Okay, massage your scalp and cover up your hair and allow it to sit for 30 minutes. You are good to go. This rice water will leave your hair super softer. Whenever you use this rice water on your hair, you see how your hair will feel so soft. Your hair will feel so strength. The feeling of your hair will change definitely. If your hair is always very hard for you to manage, rice water is the best solution for you. If you're always shedding excessively hair, rice water will help to combat that shedding. Okay, and if your hair is always breaking, rice water will help to strengthen your hair and stop your hair breakage. So using rice water, you will never regret it, guys. This rice water is a must try. Please give it a try and let me know in comment section below. So after making it, after spraying this on my hair, I still make sure that I spray it very well on my hair again. After packing up my hair, I still spray it again on my hair. So next thing now, I bring my cellophane nylon. I'm using this thick cellophane nylon to cover my hair so that my hair can trap some heat very well. Okay, if you have heat cap, you can also use your heat cap, but I don't have one. But this cellophane nylon will do the job very well for me. So I'll just leave it for 30 minutes. I'm trying to show you the sheddings that I got entire of combing my hair, detangle my hair. This remaining rice water that is remaining. Guys, I hope this video is very helpful. Please, if you have not subscribed, please click on that subscribe button to join this beautiful family. Believe me, you are not going to regret it. Okay, and turn on your post notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And please, if you have not liked, please help me to click on that like button. It really helps the growth of the channel and it helps YouTube to put this video to more people that are searching similar content like this. And lastly, please share this video to your family and friends so that a lot of people can get good news of this rice water. Okay, if you have any question, please drop it in comment section below. I'll be glad to answer your question. If you have used If you have used this type of fresh water, please let me know in comment section below. And if you have not used it, please try and use it and give me your feedback. I can't wait to hear from you. So this is where I'll be closing today's video. I love you guys so much, but God loves you more. See you guys on my next video. Remain blessed out there. Bye.